launcher for water rocket with a T-type base and a U-type trigger. T-type base is absolutely stable for 3 points of contact with the surface of the installation. Valve for connecting the pump may be located in different embodiments. Depending on the configuration base, the valve allows for the connection of the pump if necessary. To relieve pressure in the system, a trigger connected to the base of 1/2 inch thread, metal thread coated, makes the connection secure and impervious to corrosion. The sealing rubber ring makes the connections tight. The locking cylinder is removable to be able to replace the seal ring to the launch tube. The launcher tube is made of high-strength PVC pipe reinforced with fiberglass. Latch trigger, U-type, is made of galvanized wire and impervious to corrosion. Fasteners allow to establish designers on the lawn, so for example, and on a wooden surface with screws. The design allows you to tilt the fixture launcher and install the water rocket without water loss. All the details of the construction of PVC connected by socket welding. Glue is not used. The design can withstand the pressure, 290 psi, much higher than the limit for plastic bottles, 145 psi. The design of the launcher tube is suitable for the vast number of plastic bottles with a diameter of 22 mm throat. The kit includes base, trigger, 2 mounting brackets, lock, wire, 3 O-rings. Each product is tested and fully operational. Link to the auction in the comments to the video. Successful launches.